GearUp Booster versus Lagofast. Which one is better? I'm going to tell you which ping reducer is better. GearUp Booster or Lagofast. Both tools promise smoother gaming by reducing lag, ping strikes, and packet loss. But let's break down the real differences. GearUp Booster supports tons of platforms: PC, PS5, Xbox, Steam Deck, and even VR headsets like Oculus. It uses smart routing to stabilize your connection across games like Warzone, Fortnite, and Valorant. But some users say the performance is hit or miss. It works well for many, but others report no difference or worse ping. There's also been concern about antivirus warnings, but those are likely false positives. Lagofast, on the other hand, markets itself as a more beginner friendly. It's focused on PC and claims to boost FPS along with ping. It offers per minute pricing, which is unique if you don't play often. The UI is clean and it's backed by antivirus certs like McAfee. But user reviews are limited, and Scam Advisor did flag it as potentially suspicious, though no major issues have been reported so far. So, if you want platform variety, try GearUp, but if you're on PC and want simple pricing, Lagofast might be easier to test. Either way, always try free trials first before subscribing.